Good morning, everyone. So it's now Wednesday. It's about 20 to 11. So I'm going to try and finish off some of the stuff on my list. So before that as well, I did go out and source some more Hoovers. We're going to get those cleaned, checked, tested. I believe there are some issues. They did show me some of the issues with some of these. But yeah, and then we've got this one to still break down and list. But first off, we'll pick some orders. So we've got £82.63 worth of sales, and we've also got one on Vinted, which was £20. So around £100, just over. So let's get picking the orders. First up on H2 is this power head for the AX950. If you saw yesterday's video, you saw that this got sold during that video, and this sold for £35.39. Sold another one of the Warhammer figures, and it's this Dreadnought. Sold that for £15.50. Sold some books, so I haven't sold any books for a while, and that's on D1, and it's the Twilight ones, so it's this bundle of 5. And this did go for a decent amount. It went for £19.40. I don't even know how to grab these, but there we go, £19.40. And then the last one off eBay is on D3. This sold this morning for £12.34, and it is, let's just move Nemo out the way. It is this Mike mug from Monsters Inc., and that was £12.34. Then over to Vinted, we sold a Jack Wolfskin jacket in large. Now I have already pre-packed this in a bag, so if I do remember I will put a screenshot up, and that went for £20. So that's the orders just from yesterday evening and this morning, so not too bad. Just over £100, so hopefully it keeps picking up and we can keep this this train going. Alright, so that's the orders packed. I've got for that one it needs to go, it's got a Royal Mail QR code, so I'll have to do that at the box thing later and print that out. So let's just have a look at the sales. So September we've spent a good amount so far on stock, so £115. We made £257 in revenue, which leaves us with £60 profit, obviously once fees and shipping come out, and that's a 52% return on investment so far. So it's definitely improved from last month when we was in, was that negative? No, £16.98 in August. So hopefully we can, it's onwards and upwards. Right, so let's see. Now I'm going to get cracked on with these Hoovers, clean them up, test them again, see what's working, see what's not, and get some more listing done. Oh, and list that. So it's been a little while, probably about a couple of hours, maybe an hour, hour and a half, but I've broke all the Hoovers down, cleaned them, tested them, written in my little book, so just broken down into parts. That battery doesn't hold charge, so that'll be sold as faulty. This one seems okay in terms of parts, so I'm still going to split it down anyway. Cleaned all the filters, just need to wash that dustbin out. I've washed that one. That one's been washed. There's my slippers, by the way. Wash that one. This one is faulty. This bit doesn't work on the hard floor setting, and the pipe in the flex tube at the bottom there is all split. This one seems okay. It is quite an older model, but that one seems okay. Not too sure yet what I'm going to do with that one, whether I'm going to sell it as one or split it. I'll see what kind of the costs are in terms of posting it and what the costs are for the whole unit, as to whether I can be bothered to sell it as one or split it down as I have been doing. So this is my little list. So I'm just going to, I'll put the model, which one it is, burgundy wireless wire, just in case I forget. which one it is, because I'm not too clued up on the models at the moment. But I've written down what I'm going to break it down into and whether it's working, faulty, or whatnot. So now I'm going to go on eBay, find all the prices, and see what kind of costs we're looking at for these. So I just thought I'd update where I'm at currently. So 2 of the Hoovers done. What was it now? The NV680 and can't remember the other one. But they're done, listed. They're on the shelves over there now, ready to be sold. This one I think I'm doing next. So just got a couple more after that. But it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm running out of time. But I think it's about, what is it now? 11, maybe 12 listings. I've also done this, the first Hoover was listed as in today, but I've scheduled the second Hoover, the burgundy one that was pretty much broken. I've scheduled that for tomorrow, and I'll schedule this for Friday, and then Saturday, and then Sunday, just to see whether that helps get some sales in. But yeah, at least I'm keeping it tidy, and the Nick Jr. or Nick Senior, whatever it was, is down there now on that bottom shelf. It's actually just not sitting on the floor anymore. I don't know what I'm doing with this golf bag. I might actually just Facebook Marketplace it for like $5 or something, because it's not going on there. It's not moving on eBay. And this TaylorMade, I don't know whether I was going to keep it myself and get back into golf, but I don't think I am. I think it's worth about 50-60 quid, so I might put that on Marketplace as well. Who knows? But yeah, that's an update of where we're at currently.